Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue whenever your Bluetooth device is paired but it is showing not connected or you are not getting any kind of sound from your Bluetooth device. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. Let's start with the basic workaround first. Go ahead, unplug your power supply from your system, either laptop or your computer. Remove the battery also if you have a laptop. Wait for at least 3 to 4 minutes and then again plug in your battery, plug in the power supply and restart your PC. This is a simple fix, but it will remove the static charge and in turn fixes the issue with Bluetooth paired but not connected issue. Nextly is try to changing the port. Sometimes one of the port is not supported, which is the reason why your Bluetooth device is paired but not connected. And thirdly is simply unplug your Bluetooth adapter and then replug it after waiting for 10 to 20 seconds. These are the basic workaround. Now if this doesn't fix, let's proceed with the troubleshooting steps. Right click on start menu and choose the option run. Type here services.msc and hit the enter key. In services menu, you need to find a service with the name Bluetooth support service. Here it is. Double click to open it. If the service status is stopped, click on the start button to start the service at once. And in startup type, make it automatic. Then hit apply and OK button. Now go ahead, restart your PC and try to check if your Bluetooth device is started to working out or not. If it is failed, let's proceed with the next step. Right click on start menu and choose the option device manager. From here, you need to expand your Bluetooth device. Now all the devices will be present right over here. So whatever your Bluetooth device is, you need to right click on it and choose the option disable. Once it is disabled, go ahead and again right click to enable it. Sometimes just disable and then enabling the device fix out the issue of Bluetooth paired but not connected. And if this doesn't fix, in next step, each of the Bluetooth device, you need to right click and click on the option update driver. Choose the second option browse my computer for drivers and again choose second option let me pick from the list of available drivers. From here choose the latest date. For example, these two drivers are present and out of these two, second one is my latest date. Once chosen, hit the next button and this will install the latest Bluetooth drivers in your system to fix out the issue of Bluetooth paired but not connected. As it is saying, you must restart your system after installation of the Bluetooth drivers. After restarting, this will fix the issue of Bluetooth paired but not connected. Now if this doesn't fix, let's proceed with the next step. Head over to settings menu, choose Bluetooth and devices. Now here is a simple workaround. Whichever device is paired, simply go ahead, first of all disconnect it by clicking on this 3-dot button and click on the option remove device. Once your Bluetooth device is removed, go ahead and try to play any media like any video or any audio file. Play it for 3 to 4 minutes and then again head over to settings menu and again click on the option add device. Choose the option Bluetooth and this will start it to find your Bluetooth device again. Once find, click on it and this will again connect your Bluetooth device and this will go ahead and fix out the issue of Bluetooth paired but not connected. Now if this also failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. Again head over to settings menu, Bluetooth and devices, click on the option devices over here, scroll down and you will find the option of more device and printer settings. Click on it. Now from here select your Bluetooth device. Right click on it and choose the option properties. Click on the services tab and make sure all the items present over here must be tick marked. If anything is unchecked, make sure you check mark all the options, then hit apply and OK button. Now go ahead, restart your PC and this will completely fix out the issue of Bluetooth paired but not connected in your Windows PC. So this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel.